welcome to The Harvest, where we learn, grow, and flourish. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my recipe for vegan ramen. Now, I am a huge anime fan, and I love to see all the different foods they have in all the different anime, because it all looks so good. It just looks so good. I just want to eat everything. But I can't, because it's pictures, it's drawn, so I can't eat it. But there are certain foods, and most of them actually are based off real foods, but this is one of my favorites because I know how to make it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my recipe and how I make our vegan ramen. It is based off of a more traditional recipe, but it's really good. The kids really like it. The noodles are fun. It's very, very healthy. It's got lots of vitamins, packed vegetables. So it's something really fun and cool that you can try with your family to give it a different type of spin on dinner. We typically do it for a different culture night where I make a different type of cultured meal, like whether we do like Hispanic, Asian, or like Thai or Jamaican food, like whatever. I try to do a different type of cultured meal at least a few times a month so we can get some different textures and tastes going on. And I can also expand my cooking palette. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites. All of my recipes are one of my favorites though, so there's that. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe, and let's get into it. And there we have it. Our vegan ramen is all done and ready to serve. Now, when I serve mine, I like to serve it over a bed of spinach just because it gives it a little bit more texture. And then I put my ramen noodles on top. And then I like to add my vegetables first and then add the broth over top of it just to make sure I have enough space in the bowl. Now, when you go to do your ramen, you can add a couple different garnishes to make yours taste however you want it to taste. Corn, peppers, whatever. I like to add scallions and a couple of strips of seaweed and jalapenos. And if I'm eating it as like a lunch or leftovers, I typically add hot sauce too because that's how I like mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out our website at www.theharvest.org. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to learn, grow, and flourish. Bye.